In this lecture, I will build blockchain client application. Minimize this one. Right click blockchain solution. Click add. Click new project. Here .NET Core and need to select ASP.NET Core web application and the project name will be blockchain client. Click OK. Here already selected model view controller, this one, and ASP.NET Core updated version. Click OK. And the default template already generated for this blockchain client application. And this is our RSA class library. We need to add reference. Click this one and need to select RSA and click OK. So this class library project already added to this blockchain client. Here you can see project section RSA. So expand this www root. Here need to add existing item. The folder of CSS and jQuery file. You can get this in the zip file what I shared last time. Drag and drop this static folder from here to this www root section. Here you can see static folder added. Here inside there is few CSS and jQuery files. Let's expand this models folder. Here we need to get the block and transaction class. Copy this block and transaction, control select this one and copy these two files from blockchain, our previous application, and paste it here, this models folder. Minimize this one and inside block the namespace is blockchain. Here need to modify. Let's click, then click to rename, Ctrl C and paste it here, the blockchain client dot models. Here also in transaction need to change the namespace blockchain client dot models. Save everything. Here block. So let's add another class which is transaction client. Right click to this models folder, add, click class. Here need to specify the name transaction client, click add, and here inside this transaction client need to specify few getter and setter properties. Let's paste those properties here. Here you can see amount, receiver address, sender address, private key and fees. Click save. We are done with the models section. Now need to add a folder. Right click, click add, click new folder, and the folder name will be API. Inside this folder we need to generate the blockchain client API. Let's right click, click add and click controller and need to select API controller empty and click add. Here name will be blockchain client controller. Click add. Oops, here need, I believe, no Wi-Fi connection. I already turned on my Wi-Fi in my laptop. Now let's generate this T4 template again. Click add. This will add a auto-generated API code. Here you can see my Wi-Fi is turned on. This is using NuGet package to get the T4 template. This is scaffolding the code. Here it is. Here you can see our default code. Here we don't need route, so this path will be empty. Delete this one and need to specify the API action method. Here the new wallet, this API is responsible to return the public and private key. This is RSA, belongs to this class library, and this will call from here, and need to specify another API which is new transaction. This API is responsible to generate signature. Click this control dot and using blockchain.models to import this blockchain transaction client from models folder. So this is our new transaction. This will return the signature. We need to pass the transaction. It will generate the signature using the RSA class library. Save everything and we are done.